Hi guys, welcome to Excited for Coupons. I'm finally back. I was on a short trip and also I was trying to get better. I couldn't barely speak, but I'm able to at least do this video. These are some apps that are really good and some of the offers are going to be mentioned on some of the deals. These are the top 5 deals that I found for Walgreens so far. It ranges from free up to 99 cents each. And I did share an additional one that's going to be a little bit almost $4, which is a sparkle paper towel. So let's just get started. This deal is the same in CVS. It's going to be the same price. The good thing is that if you have the coupon from the Retail Me Not insert from 99, that this coupon expires on Sunday, so you could use it. But also, we should be getting a coupon this Sunday as well. So you buy one, use one coupon, and it should be just 99 cents. I think this is a pretty good deal. There is a coupon that it should be for $1.25, which is pretty good already on that. And this price is going to be for $5. So just use that coupon and your total will be just $3.75 for the paper towels that it should be the 6 rolls. This deal I love. This is the best way for you to try out makeup or maybe just stock up on makeup or just even give it away. The printable is still available, so I'm going to provide that in the description box. So you could print it and just save it maybe for another deal if you like. This one's going to be 40% off. This is for the foundation. After 40% off, it's going to be $3.29. Use that coupon. It's just going to be 29 cents. Another option, I heard so many good things about this product. This is a State Matte Shine Control powder. This one is at $5.29. As you can see, I took that picture from the Walgreens online price. After 40% off, it's going to be $3.17. After that coupon, it's just going to be 17 cents for this product. Another great deal is the Tresemme hair care. The sad thing is that the coupon does expire this Sunday. So if you still have it, this is a good time to use it as well. So Tresemme is going to be buy one and the other one's going to be 50% off. So you could buy 4. Use 2 of those coupons and you pay $4.97, but you get back 300 balance rewards points, meaning $3, making it 49 cents each. This one is free. I love it. You just buy one and you're going to get a register reward. So you just buy one for 89 and you get back 89 cents. But there is an offer in checkout 51. It's going to give you back 25 cents. So if you have it in your app, it will make it free and 25 cents money maker. The apps that I mentioned to you at the beginning of this video, this is the reason why it's good to have them. For me, the rule is that if the cereal is more than $1, I will not purchase it. And this one is a really good deal. There is 2 coupons that you could print from Kellogg's Rewards. There's one of 2 and there's also 2 of 4. So you could print either one or both if you like. So just buy 4. They're going to be at $1.99. And use 2 coupons of the one of 2 or just 1 coupon of the $2. So you pay $5.96. So submit it to iBoda. But keep in mind that you have to purchase certain items like the Apple Jacks and Corn Pops for you to get those 2 bonus, the 2 cashback and the bonus. You could also submit it to Saving Star and it applies to any Kellogg's items. So that will be perfect. ShopKick is an app that I really love. It's one that just for walking to any store, even stores in the mall, and for scanning some items, you get points. So this one is a really good time to submit your receipt and get more points for free gift cards. Another thing where you're going to be getting the coupons from Kellogg's Rewards. Once you do this purchase, submit your receipt and you're going to get so many points for your the items you purchase. And that will qualify you for better coupons because you're going to earn points as well. So after all the coupons and the cash back, it will be $2.66 or 67 cents each, plus 200 up to 400 points from ShopKick. The reason of the range for the ShopKick points is because depending on the Frosted Flakes that you do purchase, you will qualify for 200 each. Or not just each, but for a specific kind. So if you buy the chocolate and the frosted, look at the app. Also use my referral code because automatically you will get 250 kicks added to your account. So these are the top deals that I was able to see for Walgreens. I am excited for this week and get back to couponing since I was off on vacation and I'm feeling better already. So I really hope that you really enjoyed this video. Don't forget to share, subscribe if you haven't done so, and give it a like if you really enjoyed it. So thank you so much for watching.